Okay, you can see from the video title if this is more troubleshooting or have I found a solution. So the problem has been for the past 2 videos that I haven't been able to get good stitch with this machine. Or at least continuously. Like it can be good for a while and then the thread loosens from the other side. For the other side, like the zigzag doesn't stay. The width stays same all the time, but the tension varies. It's so close that it's hard to show with this kind of fabric, a thicker fabric, but I can show it with different kind of thinner fabric. Let's see if I can show it with this front-facing camera here. Let's see. So as you can see, top row on the left, first stitch it's good, second pulls a little bit, third and fourth pulls, but fifth one is good. Then sixth and seventh is pulling, and next, I don't know, about 10 stitches are relatively good, and then in the middle it pulls again for the rest of the row at the end, but the last stitch is also good. This side is pretty good. Some pulling over here, but mostly good. So it varies. Let's see if I can show it in this camera as well. So take a closer look. Maybe if you are using a smartphone you can zoom. But yeah. Let's see if I can show it with this camera. So top row from the left to right, you can see sometimes it pulls and sometimes it's good. Now I'm going to start this with spooling or winding, whatever it's called. New thread here to the bobbin. I'm just going to throw this away because probably it has been spooled unevenly. So I don't want to, I want to reduce the possibilities of having a inconstant tension here in the bobbin. It's a waste of thread, but if it's consistent pressure, it's no good. I have a couple of tricks in my sleeve. I will show it to you in a second. Few more pulls. All right. The first trick in my sleeve is this, because these thread spool holders are meant for thread spools that are winded straight, but most of the modern spools are winded cross pattern. I'll show you the difference. If I even have the old school type of thread right here. Okay, I have one spool over here. Let's see first with this camera, front facing camera. You can see this is straight, so it pulls out of the spool straight. And this is in a zigzag pattern. I don't know if it shows in the camera. It's meant to be this way. It comes out like this. Let's try to show it in this camera. The bobbin on the right is straight, and this goes in a zigzag pattern. And let's try to show it in this camera as well. And because of, as I said, most of the modern spools are not straight, I need this type of device that lifts the thread straight up rather than spins the spool. Okay, it can be behind the machine. And let's take some good quality thread. Okay, I make it so that the both are same color. It's not optimal, but the fabric is mostly white, so you can see the difference. If it pulls, it pulls. So let's pull the bobbin here. Like that. First I put the thread from here. Like that. And now the thread should come evenly from the behind of the machine from this device. One second, I have. Where are my scissors? There. It's not going as well as I would like it, because of the pedal is pretty old and it has like a manual speed variation. It's not digitally adjusted, and I still need to adjust the tension inside of the pedal so it would be more linear and not like on-off type of. Okay. I didn't wind it completely full, but let's see. I have adjusted the tension of the bobbin with this lead weight for fishing, 1 ounce, 28 grams. I will show it to you later if this works. And here I have a new pattern. I asked a question about how to make this better in Facebook, and people pointed me out that in the 500 series machines, is it Rocketeer, there's also this kind of arm that comes from inside of the machine and pulls the string, and it can be bypassed. So even though it doesn't say it in the 401G manual, but the mechanism is same as in a Rocketeer. So this is just to eliminate all the variation that could be part of the problem and set everything as bare bone as possible. So normally it will go through here a couple of loops, but now I just put it behind this arm over here. And the thread needs to go well behind the tensioning discs, so I put my right hand fingers here and press the thread so it doesn't move, and now it has some tension and I can lift up from here. And now I put everything as it would normally be. Sorry, I will put my head between you and the machine. And here I need to tension this. And let's see, does it pull to the side or have. Now it's pretty even, but it's in a position 9. And that's not good, because now we are end of the spectrum, what we can, like end of the adjustment here. And what I'm going to demonstrate next is how to adjust the bobbin thread tension to certain weight. So let's take this whole thing away from here. I need something to lift it from the screwdriver will work. I will use this, I don't know what is it called. This is used for cutting thread between the stitches. Let's put this to the side. Here I have a couple of scales, small plastic bag, and I don't know what this is called. Let's try this camera. In Finland this is called pike jaw because of the sharp teeth. And we are going to measure the weight. Now it's 0, back is still 0, and it's still 0. So the scale is not accurate enough. Let's try this. 0 and still 0. Now it's showing 2 grams. How about this? 2 grams. Both are showing 2 grams with these. So we need to add 21 grams of weight here in the plastic bag. I'm going to use rice. Oi, 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 oi. Let's see if we are even close. No, we are in 11 grams, so we are halfway through. $24 grams, so we need to take 2 grams off, probably, at least one. Now it's 22 and we have this 23, 23. So we have 23 combined with these two. We can remove the scales here and let's put this back on. And we need small screwdriver. The one thing that I forgot. Here we have small screwdriver. It's still recording good. And that is also. I don't know about this camera. But yeah. Because this was set to 28 grams, I will loosen the bigger screw. It has 2 screws. The first one, the small one, is for holding the spring steel at its place. And the second screw, which is a bit bigger, it's for the tension. I will lose it like 1/16 of a turn. Just ever so slightly. And now we are going to connect this small plastic bag to the thread with this alligator clip. Yeah, alligator clip is, it's pike jaw in Finnish and alligator clip in English, yeah. So it doesn't pull down. I will loosen it a little bit. Now it pulls down slowly. Now it's approximately 23 grams. We can start all over again and try the sewing machine with this newly adjusted sewing bobbin thread tension. Ei vitsit. Why did it go there? I don't like it. Just go there normally. I need to go like this. All right. Let's put it to the 4. And try this. So let's see how even it is. The top row, the bottom row is the one that I adjusted. It has small variation. Fuck. Small silent time for this project that doesn't seems to be going anywhere. It's better. Every time it gets a little bit better. I'm ruling out. Every time I'm ruling out something. Now it's quite even. I need to put it to the 7. I really need to adjust this. I don't know. It varies a bit. But could this be good enough? So the top row. This camera shut itself down. The top row. Can you see it in this? It pulls sometimes, but also the thread might be too thick for this type of very thin fabric. Let's try it one more time with denim. Now there shouldn't be any problem. Maybe I'm just splitting the hairs with this. I don't know where the denim went. I don't have the denim anymore. But yeah, I think now I have ruled out. Let's turn this. Now I have ruled out so many of those things that could be the reason for this. So I think I'm very close to what is considered as a good stitch. I still need to adjust this top thread tension. Not like adjusting it right now to get the stitch better, because I think I got it to the right spot, but I mean to zero it out. I don't know what it's called in English, like I put it in the pieces and I put it in the back and adjust the like a 0 level of tension to be a little bit looser. So I wouldn't need it to be in the position 8. I would like it to be in position 4 for this kind of general normal sewing. So I will do that soon. But now the bottom thread is adjusted to 23 grams and I'm hoping to leave it that way. And this needs to be adjusted, but yeah. Let's see if this helps someone or is this just something that helps me. Yeah. And I will put, I forgot to say it in the beginning. I will put, it doesn't help in this part. But anyway, I will put chapters in the description so people can skip parts that they don't need, or maybe they want to see only a certain thing. And yeah, see you in the next video. This was a little bit disappointment because the improvements that I got by every video is very small, and I really don't know what is the real cause. Maybe it was, if I have to guess, it's this device over here that made the most difference, and also I got this to the correct tension. Yeah, thank you.